From this video, you will learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And you can do it from anywhere on the planet. From any experience level, any age, and any gender. Sounds good? You don't need experience, no technical knowledge required, no mailing list, no social media following, not even a website required, no hosting server required. Sounds exciting? It's gonna be better. But this video was basically a training video for our customer, but we are giving it away for free on YouTube, Facebook, and other channels. Because we believe even if you haven't purchased anything from us, you are spending your hard-earned precious time with our videos. So we are going to give away everything for free, including our money-making softwares. Links are in the description. They're free for you. Go ahead, start. First of all, today's money motivation. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts. This is today's earning, yesterday's, last 30 days, and last month. Sounds exciting, right? It is. But money don't grow on trees. Money is in other people's pockets, my customers' pocket, and they pay us their hard-earned money because we share awesome, useful, valuable information with them, just like these videos, and we give away our softwares to them. So let me share where all this money came from. This money came from all these visitors you see, the hops you see. These are the visitors and audience of our contents like these videos. And yes, this is the honest truth. We make money using video, but making videos is not easy. Using camera and microphone, it needs months of practice. Even after making hundreds of videos, if not thousands of videos, we still need to take each video multiple times, each shot multiple times. We use expensive studio cameras, microphones, editing softwares, and even expensive full-time editors. But our customers, especially beginner customers, don't have access to all this. We get that. So in order to solve our problems of making hundreds of videos and running a lot of channels without using camera and microphone, we made our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using image and text. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence and then turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover. How cool is that? Then Epic allows us to make videos in bite-sized, tiny size videos. Then save campaigns, save videos in the middle of the work. We go out and do other stuff. We come back later, add more section. And in fact, all our videos are accessible to our Epic users from their dashboard. So basically they can use our videos as their videos. But these videos are simple information videos, to the point, step by step, and that's why our audience love them, our customers love them. They click our links and they decide to purchase from us, and we make money. That's the simplest form of making money online, and I'm gonna share how you can do it too using Epic. Link is in the description. It's free for you. Go grab Epic right now. Now your next question may be, Mosh, give me some video idea. What video can I make? The answer is anything. With Epic, when we browse the internet, we find any information that might be valuable to our customers. We take screenshots, put them on Epic, copy text from any other website, turn that into natural sounding voiceover, and make useful videos. But still, video ideas can be awesome, and I'm going to give you just that. Not only that, the video ideas can be a super hot topic to make video about. Well, let me share. Look at this. On YouTube, search with video idea, and I found 128,000 people every single month search about video idea. And this video from Think Media got 471,000 views from just one 9-minute long video. Another video got 190,000 views, 31,000 views, 29,000 views. When this information are useful and audience love the content, they click your affiliate links that you put in the video descriptions or in the first comment, and they buy from you, and that's how we make money. Okay, now you might be saying, Mosh, I don't have idea how to write a script of the video. Don't worry, let me show you a trick today. I just opened this video, and what I'm going to do is copy the video URL. I basically searched on Google, YouTube transcript generator. Just go to downsub.com, DOWNSUB.com. It's available at the moment. I don't know about future when you're watching this video, but there are so many websites like this. Just paste the URL and click download, and you'll be able to download the subtitle of the video. Okay, I got the subtitle. Now I will open one of my most favorite artificial intelligence software, Jasper. Jasper link is in the description. You can get it. Also, there is a free AI software link in the description. You can grab that too. I'll go to the boss mode and then click in the new document and start generating from scratch. I have pasted the content here and then I will write a description for the above, and the software is typing now automatically. So the description is done. I'm going to copy it and put it here, and then I will add a title 50 video ideas. Now it's time to remove everything, and I will just give a command, write 50 video ideas, and look at this. The software is writing all by itself. 24 already, 25. I'm gonna keep writing, and the software is writing more and more and more and more. These are artificial intelligence. So amazing. Can you think about it? This is amazing, right? Look, you don't have to type anything. My hands are free. All right, keep writing. All right, done. So 50 ideas are done. I'll say write a paragraph for the above. A paragraph is written. The next one I will hit large. This one will be large. Now this time I'll mention write a paragraph for how to research foreclosures in your area and hit enter. Now this is great. Okay, so now you understand how easy it is to write any text content using artificial intelligence. You just need an idea and use these softwares like Epic, like Jasper, and other available softwares, and put in your ideas. Take a bit of time, 3 to 5 to 10 minutes of your time, and make content, useful, helpful content, and publish them on YouTube. And look at this. This video has got 471,164 views. Each 1,000 views equals $3 to $6 passive income from AdSense alone. AdSense means the revenue generated when YouTube runs ads on your videos. That's completely without selling anything, just for making videos. And you can do it with Epic alone. Link is in the description. Epic is free. Go grab it and start making videos, connect with audience, help people. It basically starts with a simple and sincere interest of helping others. This is what we do, and you can do it too. Start today. So next time when you are browsing YouTube or TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or even Google News, or even Google anything, check what people are talking about. Check what people are watching and make simple videos about that topic using AI. Epic links are in the description. Go grab them and start making money from today. When you build rapport with your audience using awesome information that they're looking for, you can ask them to click the links in the description. In the first comment, they will go click your links, and from those links they will purchase from you and you will make money. That's the easiest, most legit way to make money online. And basically this is the fastest and the easiest ways to make money online. Did you need a website? No. Do you need experience? No. Do you need technical knowledge or video making skill or something? No, not at all. You just need Epic. It's free. Link in the description. Start today. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. And you can participate in that mission too. Just hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, your social media timeline like Facebook and Twitter, and let everyone know about this. They will love you. They will follow you for sharing this awesome and helpful information, and eventually they will become your first customers and client. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.